Working with Mapping Manager, publishing and creating versions of mappings. The agenda. Publishing and creating versions of mappings includes creating versions of mappings, baselining projects, comparing two different mapping versions, publishing mappings, and restoring archive maps as active. Creating versions of mappings. Click on the main menu icon to access the Irwin DI modules. Go to Data Catalog. Click Mapping Manager. Create new versions of maps and track history of changes made in the mapping specification. Under the Workspace Mappings panel, right-click a map and click New Version. The New Version page appears. Enter appropriate values in the fields. Fields marked with a red asterisk. Mapping name and changed description are mandatory. Click Save, and a new version of the map is created, and the previously active version moves under the Archive folder. The new version of the map is created, and the previously active version moves under the Archive folder as shown here. Baselining projects. Baselining a project will bring all maps in the project to the same version. Under the Workspace Mappings panel, right-click a project and click New Baseline. The new baseline page appears. Enter the version label, change description, and mail comments. Click Save. The project is baselined and all the maps in the project now have the same version. Comparing two different mapping versions. Advanced Mapping Comparison allows to efficiently compare any two mappings. Under the Workspace Mappings panel, expand the required project node. Expand the Mappings node nested under the project and select two mapping versions. Right-click the selection and click Compare To. The Compared To page appears. All the changes are highlighted in red color. Click to export report to the following formats: HTML, PDF, or Excel. Publishing mappings. Before publishing mappings, ensure that the source environment and the target environment have their corresponding production environments. Under the Workspace Mappings panel, right-click the required map and click Publish Map. Publish Map page appears. Enter the appropriate values in the fields. Red asterisks are mandatory. Click Save, and the mapping is published on the effective date and saved in Publish Mappings. And here we see just that. Under the Publish Mappings panel, click the Publish Map to view the mapping details and the mapping specification. Restoring archived maps as active. Under the Workspace Mappings panel, right-click the required archived map and click Restore as Active Version. Restoring the archive mapping as active page appears. Enter the appropriate values in the fields. Click Save, and the archived map is restored as a new version, and the existing active map is archived. That's it. For more information, please visit irwin.com.